Good day, you guys, and welcome back to another mukbang taste test with the Ralphies, Nadine, and Daryl.
Yeah.
This sexy piece of meat, law.
You sexy piece of gear. Woo!
So we're at Dairy Queen, you guys, and I think we're gonna do all new summer blizzards. Look at them
What's
all.
that do?
Right, the second menu.
Oh, yes. I see. Yeah.
Oh, summer blizzards.
Okay.
New. I think it says new or more. Anyway, it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to try one of each, you guys. We're just going to get a small of each one, and we're going to try them all for you guys. This is not about us, okay? This is all...
Buddy, you need your muffler fixed, bud.
This is all about you guys, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. You want to order?
Did you want to order?
If you don't want to.
Yeah, go ahead.
Could you tell me how many new summer blizzards there are, please?
So we have the brownie batter, drumstick with peanuts, cotton candy, raspberry fudge bliss, brownie dough, the chocolatey mint Girl Guide one, and the cotton candy one.
So is it 6 new ones?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, 6.
Can we have one of each in a small, please?
One of each.
Yes.
So 6.
Yeah, one of each flavor in a size small, please.
Okay.
So do I drive up to the window? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please go to the next window. Okay. Or I can show them some Canadian money if you guys are from the States. Here you guys. Look. We have a 50. We have a 20. And we have the good old $10 bill.
And we have a 5. And we have a 100. That's too funny. We had them all. So here, look. So you guys, our money is like a rainbow, kind of. It's Canadian money, okay?
Yeah.
And our money is more exciting than the American money. Look at the American money. Take one of every bill and just look at it and go... And it's all just like the one color. So I'll give you back this.
Yeah.
And I'll take back mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thought I would show you guys.
It's like a rainbow.
Like a rainbow, yeah?
But the States money is like every single note they're all the same color, isn't it? It's all just green.
Yeah.
Do you guys prefer just green money, or do you like Monopoly money like us and have it all playful?
Yeah.
I like the playful colors. At least you can tell apart each bill.
Yeah.
That's just me. Here, what's taking so long here at the drive-thru?
Well, they got to make 6 flurries. And
Oh my gosh, they didn't give them our blizzards.
No.
Yes, it, buddy. Give her. Frighten the crap.
Buddy in a Toyota Echo. She definitely sounds like a Echo too.
Daryl, be quiet. Make sure it's one of every flavor, babe, in a size small.
Yeah. 35.81.
Yeah, 35.81.
Okay.
And what's the order for, Daryl?
And what's the order for? Can you confirm?
Yeah, just give a second. It's 5 blizzards, right?
6 blizzards,
6
right?
blizzards, yeah.
Okay.
All in size small?
Yeah, all in size.
Okay.
35.81 for that.
Okay.
Do you need a tray or cover?
You want trays and covers?
Covers.
Covers,
please.
yeah.
Covers?
Yeah.
Okay. No tray?
No, it's fine. I said no tray, and I gotta hold 6 blizzards.
Maybe she could get a tray, eh? It's not too late. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I have a pot in the tray, please? Sorry.
Oops. I'm so excited.
And can I get the receipt too, please? Overdose on ice cream now, boys.
Yep.
It's all good. Not right that. Never had to feed ice cream in a long time.
In a couple days.
I put our drinks back here, my baby.
Yes, my baba.
So there's our handy dandy receipt.
Thank you, baby.
This one is the brownie batter.
What's that?
This one is the brownie batter.
Brownie batter.
Okay, the brownie
Okay.
batter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just keep it separately because there is another blizzard which is like same. Which
Oh.
looks the same.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
All right.
This one is brownie batter.
Okay,
Okay.
this one is the brownie batter, you guys.
There you are.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You
too.
We have 6 small blizzards, as you heard back at the speaker. We have a small drumstick with peanuts. We have a small chocolate mint. We have a small cotton candy, a small brownie dough, a small raspberry bliss, and we have a small brownie batter. So we are going to taste test all 6.
So we're going to go ahead and say our blessing right now. God is great. God is good. Let us thank Him for this food. Amen.
Thank
Bless
you,
this
Lord.
food to our bodies.
Thank you, Dairy. Thank
Jesus'
you, Dairy
name.
Queen.
Thank you to Dairy Queen. Yeah.
Yep.
So now we're going to try the first one, guys.
The first one, I believe, is raspberry bliss.
Yeah. So it looks like raspberries. Mmm. Oh, wow.
Is it good?
Mmm. Raspberries with chocolate. Mmm.
Oh.
Oh, wow. That is really good.
Mm.
You like it? Mmm.
Raspberry.
You can taste the raspberries in it.
Mhm.
Oh, wow. That is really good, guys. If you guys like raspberries and chocolate, that is the gear right there. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Is it good?
The raspberries and chocolate is so creamy, so delicious.
Mm-hmm. The raspberry bliss, I honestly wasn't expecting chocolate in it, but anyway, it tastes good. It tastes like raspberries, and it's very good. Almost tastes like raspberries and cookie dough
Mmm.
in it. So we're going to start with the next one.
Okay. So this is the second one, you guys.
Can I see it?
Mm.
This one looks like the cotton candy.
Mhm.
Daryl's going to taste and let us know what it is. Should I help you?
Mm-hmm.
Taste it?
Mm.
Do you know what it tastes like? Can you tell us?
I think that one is the cotton candy.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure it is.
This is what it looks like.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. That got to be the cotton candy one, right? What's your opinions?
That is the bomb. Cotton candy, you guys, is the bomb. We didn't go in and show you guys the raspberry one. This is what it looks like. You just seen the cotton candy. So now we're going to hit the third one.
So this is the third one, guys. We're going to taste this. Mm.
What is it, baby? Do you know? It's a guessing game, okay?
That's the brownie cookie dough or something.
Brownie batter.
Mm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. If you guys like brownie and chocolate, here you have it, guys.
Yeah.
Brownie overload.
It's very rich, you guys.
Mm. Oh, yeah. Chunks
Good?
of brownie and everything in that.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously.
Yep. So it's good.
Mm.
It tastes like real brownies and chocolate, so it's really good. The next one we're going to try, Daryl's going to let us know the flavor when he gets into it.
Is the lighting fixed?
It's fixed.
Okay.
I'm thinking this is either the drumstick with peanuts or it's the brownie dough.
Uh-oh.
Or chocolate mint.
What do we got here now, guys?
Drumsticks with peanuts, chocolate mint, or brownie dough. Which one? You're not going to tell us? This is such a brutal video, you guys. You're going to tell us what it is?
No way.
Oh, it's the drumstick with the peanuts.
Daryl
Daryl likes the peanuts, you guys. Oh, I got to taste the one with peanuts. I don't
that is the one with the peanuts, man. Oh, that was the gear.
Taste that
Anything
drumstick.
with peanuts. Oh, yeah, with the drumstick, too, yeah. Anything with peanuts, man, I love it.
Yeah?
It's so good, man.
I don't want it to eat it. I want to get to the next one, baby. Are you feeling good? I'm so glad you
Oh,
are.
yeah. Where's that one, too?
Right here. Here's yours when we're done the video.
That is the gear, man.
Okay. So the last two we have to try, you guys, is the brownie dough and the chocolate mint. Come in and show them, please. I think that's the brownie dough. Looks like it.
Let's see.
Is that the brownie dough? Or is it chocolate mint? I'm sorry, you guys, for Daryl.
Oh, the mint, man.
Is it the mint? Daryl's not real quick to tell us what the answers are, you guys. It's like a guessing game for him. You want to keep you guys in suspense. Hey, Daryl.
You don't give my taste buds time to react to the stuff.
Mint.
Really?
Chocolate mint. There's pieces of chocolate, and it's minty. It's good. It's almost like an after eight.
Yeah, it's almost like an after eight mint.
Wow.
Yeah. So I wonder what this one is, guys.
So the last one we have to try, you guys, should be the brownie dough.
Yeah, the brownie doughs.
You can have all this dark chocolate stuff.
Oh, look. The brownie dough, here it is.
Quick, tell us, Daryl, what is it? What is it? Quick, quick, quick.
Man, oh man.
Is that any good?
That's good too. Little chunks of brownie.
Oh, I'm not gone on brownies, see you guys.
You don't like that?
No.
That's really good though.
So, well, it looks like. It's good, but you really gotta like that dark loaded chocolate.
Back to the one with the peanuts.
Drumstick with peanuts, baby. That's the one you have in your hand. You guys, I'm back at the cotton candy. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, the cotton candy.
The drumsticks with the peanuts is amazing.
No, the cotton candy is the best. The best out of all these, in my opinion. Which one do you think is the best, in your opinion?
Drumstick with the peanuts.
Yeah?
Anybody that loves peanuts and loves drumsticks?
Wow.
And the creamy ice cream? Oh, wow.
So, you guys, the cotton candy is the same thing, literally, as if you took vanilla ice cream and you seriously drop cotton candy down into it. But the pieces of cotton candy are like more, they're like pieces of actual candy that tastes like cotton candy. You know how cotton candy is soft? Well, these aren't soft pieces. They're more hard. But the flavoring is very on point.
You can never go wrong with Dairy Queen ice cream, guys.
No.
Whether you're just going through for a soft serve or a chocolate dip cone or
So you guys, I'm back into my raspberry. What's it called? Raspberry Bliss.
Bliss, yep.
Yep. Want a bite?
No, I'm good. And I'm back into my, I think it's cookie dough. Or brownie cookie dough or something.
What's it taste like? Is it the mint?
No, it's not the mint.
Brownie dough?
Brownie dough, yep.
Okay. Or is it the brownie batter?
I had a job to tell.
The brownie dough and the brownie batter seems to be almost the same. What's the raspberry? Bliss. So good.
I think it's the brownie dough, man.
Yeah?
It's so good, man. Wow.
They're all so good.
Well done, Dairy Queen.
Yes. Very, very, very good review.
Mm-hmm.
So we only have a couple seconds left recording with you guys.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to wrap it up.
Mm.
I'm not sure which one this is. I think it's the mint. Yep, it's the mint. This one's pretty good too, you guys. If you like an after eight, what do you call it? An after eight chocolate.
Mm-hmm. You'll definitely love that.
Yeah, the mint is good too. Really good.
Oh yeah.
So you guys, whoa. So you guys, if you're close to a Dairy Queen, make sure you get out and try these awesome blizzards. This video is not at all sponsored.
Not at all.
We just want to do all the flavors with you guys so we could let you know how they tasted. We hope you got a better idea how they would taste with us doing a taste test. Especially with my husband trying to tell you how they taste, okay?
So guys, if you have a Dairy Queen in your city area, we highly recommend that you guys get out and try some new summer flavors of Dairy Queen ice cream. And tell them that the Ralphies sent you out to get your summer flavors. So delicious, so yummy. You can never go wrong with Dairy Queen's ice cream.
Exactly.
Just go out and treat yourself, treat your partner, treat your wife, spouse, whatever. So until next time, you guys.
Peace.
We are ahead of her.
Stay beautiful, stay sexy, stay blessed. We love you all. Have a great day.